If you make videos with your phone or you go traveling and use your phone to capture memories, then this product is for you. Today we are looking at a magnetic selfie stick tripod. This is compatible with MagSafe. No need to put your phone in a phone holder. Your phone just snaps on and off. As always, link in the description if you want to pick this up or know more about it. And if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated, and please subscribe to watch more reviews. You get some paperwork inside, an instruction booklet, and if your case does not have a MagSafe magnet on it, they've included some. That's the instruction guide there. Some wipes to clean your case before you place that on. So it's got a little adjuster there. Adjust this head. You could have it at different angles. This does have a suction cup as well as a magnet. Push these three to release your phone. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote. The Bluetooth remote has a 10-meter range. You need to remove this first because there is a battery in there. That's the shutter button there. So if you have this far, you could push that to take a picture or start recording. Leave that in there for now. So this flexible smartphone tripod comes with a 7-section adjustable aluminium telescopic pole. It can adjust from 12 centimeters all the way to 64 centimeters. You could rotate the head part 360 degrees. At the bottom, we have 3 non-slip pads there. So let's open it. Let's just show you there. That's rubber there on all 3. So when the company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review this, I said yes straight away, because stuff like this is really handy for content creators like myself. So I have a MagSafe compatible case on my phone. I have reviewed these cases. You will find a link in the description box below and in the iCard if you want to watch that. So it just snaps on. That's on. If I wanted to, I could just switch the phone around like so. When I want to record, I could do it that way. When I want to record for YouTube, I could turn it that way. And to release it, we just push these 3 down and pull. The other good thing about this, it packs away nice and neatly. Just push that down, twist that. There. I'll remove my phone actually. If you go traveling, this won't take up much room, and it's light as well. It'll be perfect to take with you. The grip around there, I don't know what it's made out of exactly, but as I mentioned, I'll link it in the description box below. You could check it out. Honestly, in my opinion, this is a great piece of kit. Every content creator should have this if you use your phone to record. You don't need to mess about with find the right attachment to put your phone in. And with me, I have stuff everywhere, and sometimes you can't find it. And because it's got the suction cup on there as well, it makes it more secure, so you know your phone will not fall. Or you could just use it as a selfie stick. And it's a long selfie stick. Yeah. And as the Bluetooth remote lives there, if you want to take a picture or start recording, you could just control it from there, so you don't even need to touch your phone. I am really impressed with this. I'll link in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.